Hi, this is David Miller with O'Connor Law. I want to take a moment to answer the question the best as I can as how long it will take to settle a personal injury case. Like many things in the law, this depends on a few factors. First off, it's how long does it take to recover from the injuries sustained in the negligent act. If it takes 3 months to recover or to get to a plateau state where we can have a good estimate of what the future is going to hold, that's going to be obviously shorter than if it's going to be a 12-month to a 16-month recovery or even longer. As attorneys at our firm, we never want to press a settlement or resolution of a claim until we have a full understanding of what the future is going to hold for our client. Some ways that differs is if, let's say, there's a motor vehicle accident and we know there's limited coverage. If the responsible driver has a minimum policy of $15,000 of coverage, well, obviously then there's no reason to wait around. We can close that claim out fairly quickly. The alternative to that is if it's a commercial vehicle policy and we know there's multiple layers of significant coverage, that will take it back to waiting to get a full understanding of the total picture of damages, both past and future, to put a proper value on the case. That kind of case is going to take longer. Again, if the case can resolve by way of settlement, that will be a quicker resolution than if the case has to get into litigation. As a general estimate, anytime we have to file litigation on a case, it will extend the process by at least 6 months. That is because of the early stages of litigation. There's documentation filed. There's always some challenges to the documentation, and then there's a discovery phase as well that will extend that time frame. Of course, within those time frames, there's always an opportunity to resolve the case as well. But these are some of the most important factors in determining the length of time of a personal injury case. The main factor is the severity of injury and how long are those injuries going to impact the individual's life, both in a recovery standpoint and a return to work standpoint and an enjoyment of life standpoint. Second major factor is whether or not the case can be settled pre or post litigation.